QA isn't being replaced by AI, it's being quietly reduced to execution, and most teams won't realise it until production starts burning. And if you work in testing right now, you can probably feel it happening. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you why AI dashboards are giving teams false confidence, what QA roles that actually survive 2026 look like, and the one thing AI still can't do no matter how good it gets. So stick with me, because this is where a lot of teams get this badly wrong. I've been around long enough to see the cycles repeat. 26 years in this industry, new tools arrive, new promises get made, and quality, well, it quietly gets reduced to numbers and activity. AI isn't the problem is how organizations think QA works. Right now, QA is under pressure from every direction. Speed matters, metrics matter, coverage matters, and because those things are measurable, they're being mistaken for assurance. But coverage isn't confidence, green dashboards aren't safety, and passing tests don't mean the product makes sense. They just mean nothing obvious is broke. So this is where dashboards start lying to teams, and I'll explain why that is in a second, because that's quite a big statement. The popular story says QA in 2026 looks like this. Everyone will tell you the same. AI generates the tests. Automation runs everything. Dashboards tell us if we're safe. Humans just approve the releases. It sounds efficient. It sounds dangerously incomplete to me. Because none of that answers the most important question in software. What could go wrong that we're not looking for? AI is brilliant at patterns. It's great at repetition. It's fantastic at speed, but it doesn't understand context, and that's what I keep saying. It doesn't feel uncertainty, and it doesn't notice when something feels off. Only the human mind can do that at the moment in time, and that's why you are still so valuable in the QA world. So this is why QA roles will survive in 2026, and they won't look like just execution roles anymore. That is changing. Real QA in 2026 isn't about running more tests. It's about deciding where risk lives. The testers who will thrive will ask better questions, challenge assumptions, understand users and business impact, and know what not to trust on the dashboard. AI becomes your co-pilot. Humans stay responsible for the judgment, just like flying a plane. Exploratory testing doesn't disappear in 2026. It actually becomes really more important. It's not just clicking around, but it's more sense making, following weak signals, connecting small inconsistencies, and asking what else could fail. AI can support that thinking. It can't replace it. The real danger isn't AI, it's organizations reducing quality to metrics they can easily report. Because those numbers feel reassuring, right up until a customer starts finding the gaps QA was never allowed to explore. And that's why I keep telling you, being an analyst first as a tester is still so important, and that world of static testing, that'll never go away. So if you want something practical from this, not just my opinion, I put together a free AI prompt pack for exploratory testing. Shows exactly how to use AI to support judgment instead of replacing it. So comment prompts and I'll provide with a link. It's absolutely free. And if the topic resonates, the next video on the channel breaks down the one skill QA teams are underinvesting in right now. And that's why that's a problem. So I'll see you there.